So there's a problem with down payment assistance. What is it? Well, either you make too much, or you're buying in the wrong neighborhood, or you don't make enough, or theoretically, it's not really down payment assistance. It's actually a loan that requires you to live in the house for a certain period of time. Guess what? That changes today. Here at Cross Country Mortgage, we are releasing our CCM Promise program. What is that? It's $6,500, okay, towards either your down payment or closing cost, with no income restrictions, no territorial restrictions. All we care about is where you are moving from. So as long as you live in a designated census tract area, now you might qualify for the $6,500. And believe it or not, those census tracts are pretty wide. There's a good possibility that you qualify for the $6,500 grant towards your closing costs or down payment. So fill out the link below and we will get back to you right away to see if you qualify for the $6,500 grant program from Cross Country Mortgage. Look forward to hearing from you. Take care and make it a great day.